Hey everyone, welcome to iStore Meets. My name is Alex and I'm the product trainer at iStore Stanton Drive. In this session, we're going to discover why iPhone is loved by millions, and we'll look at some of the important reasons why switching from Android to iPhone will make your life so much easier. By the end of this session, you would have learned how your information is kept safe with built-in privacy and security features available with every iPhone. Also, how easy it is to get software updates for your iPhone. We'll also have a look at how iPhone helps you be more creative than ever before with some of its built-in applications. And lastly, the accessibility features, making sure that whoever uses an iPhone feels empowered. Now let's look at Safari Privacy Report. I'm sure we've all heard about tracking prevention. Safari prevents trackers from following you across websites that you might be visiting. This happens to most of us. You're interested in buying a new pair of shoes and you do some research on it. All of a sudden, these shoes pop up on all your social media accounts. Now, Safari has a built-in privacy report that will allow you to view websites that were blocked from tracking your profile. To have a look at this, let's go to Safari. Scroll down until you see Privacy Report. Tap on it and have a look at the privacy report that's built into Safari. From here you can have a look at the trackers that were prevented from profiling you, as well as the websites that contacted these specific trackers. At the bottom you can also have a breakdown between websites and trackers individually. You can tap on Done, and that wraps us up with that. iPhone comes with great software from the minute that you switch on your iPhone. And unlike other devices, Apple provides you with the latest software for years and years to come. To put this into perspective, quite often there are new software updates available that will include minor privacy and security updates, and every year a new OS version. The current software version, iOS 15, is supported all the way from the iPhone 6s, a device that was launched in 2015. We'll get all of these amazing features available with the new iOS 15. Your iPhone comes with great creativity apps like Clips, Photos, GarageBand, and even iMovie that will allow you to really explore your creative side. Let's explore iMovie. To find iMovie on your iPhone, just locate the purple movie star icon. Tap on it, and it's going to open up with all of your different projects. From here, to create a new project, tap on the plus. It's going to open up and ask you to choose from two different versions. Do you want to create a movie or do you want to create a trailer? Now, the movie will essentially allow you to create a movie from scratch, and trailers are built-in templates that will really allow you to take your movies to a whole new level. Let's tap on trailers and have a look at what's included here. Within trailers, you'll notice that there's a few different versions that I can choose from family to adrenaline to retro, all the way to even creating a superhero trailer for yourself. And all you have to do is tap on Create on the top right-hand corner. It's going to open up with your storyboard, and from here it will even guide you to say, hey, please add in a 2-second group shot here. Add a 4-second action shot. All you have to do is tap on it, choose your media, and from that, it will automatically create an amazing trailer for you. Now, I hope that helps you creating amazing trailers with iMovie. Accessibility features are great for absolutely every customer. Whether it be reading the small print on a menu with a magnifier or even using the back tap to control actions on your iPhone. Let's have a look at how easy it is to use back tap on your iPhone. Firstly, to set up back tap on your iPhone, go into Settings, scroll until you see Accessibility, tap on Touch, scroll all the way to the bottom, tap on Back Tap, and there you can choose how you want your back tap to work. Let's set up my double tap on the top for Notification Center. Tap on Notification Center, and now as soon as I double tap the back of my iPhone, essentially it will automatically open up Notification Center. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to use back tap. Let's quickly recap on what we've seen today. Firstly, we discovered how your iPhone helps you with privacy and security. We learned about the free software updates for years and years to come. We then also explored some of the amazing creativity apps included in every iPhone. And finally, how accessibility features help you stay more productive with basically everyday tasks. Thanks for joining iStore Meets with me, Alex. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Join us again online soon.